Let me show you exactly how to reuse slides in PowerPoint so you don't have to waste time recreating the same slides over and over again. And this is a built-in feature in PowerPoint, so you don't have to have any add-ins or extra plugins for this. All right, so if we are in PowerPoint, we can go to New Slide. This is our basic theme, so I'm in a blank presentation basically. You have this reuse slides function. So if I click that, it opens up a panel on the side. Now here you can see you can insert slides from a document and you can browse for a document. So let me just do that. Go browse, and this opens up the Finder window, and here you can select any document. I'm going to use my template with a demo slide, so I've built over 200 demo slides in that document, and open it. Now we can see it happening on the right side. So with live, and I'll put that on full screen, it live puts in all of these slides from that document, which is pretty cool. Now remember when I said that we don't have any layouts in place in this theme, but this template that has been built on solid layouts. So if I just select one of those, for example, you can see that it instantly uses the colors, but it also adds that section header layout. So I can just choose in between the different versions. So we can see that it adds those new slide layouts as well. And this makes it super powerful because it uses that underlying structure. That is why if you have a document built on a solid template with different layouts, you can just integrate them in your presentation. The best part about this all is you can see it uses that theme. So it uses that body, it uses those titles, it uses all of the right connections. For the colors, you see there might be a little bit of a difference between those. That is also because it uses that standard color or that theme color palette in PowerPoint. If I were to change the color palette to go to Slide Master, change the color to, for example, this one here, you can see everything changes accordingly. Let me go back, take a bit more of an extreme color. So for example, I go to, let's say brown, and here we can see everything changes. So whichever slide I'm adding, it adds that in your own theme. So that is pretty neat if you ever want to use that in your slides. And as you can see, we have so many different slides available that you can just click and it will add them to your presentation in a pretty nice way. So you don't have to worry about anything. Everything has been fit in and it will just automatically add to your template if you don't have any available. And if you have one available, it will just add them if they don't exist. So it sort of expands your layout section, which is pretty convenient. I just think about how much time that can save you while making presentations, but you need to have that solid foundation. So if you're looking for that and you want to access my template with over 200 design slides, I'll link them in the description below. I also have a bundle deal available, so if you want to have access to all of my templates that I've made, including the packs, well, I'll also link that there. So now you can really start to improve your presentation making and work on that solid foundation. Otherwise, you're going to be in for a bad time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.